Hello, everyone. Welcome back. James, you look a bit stressed today. Is everything okay?
Honestly, Emma, I am not okay. I had a terrible morning. I got completely lost in the city center.
Oh, no. Did you ask anyone for help?
I tried, but I froze. I saw people passing by, but I was too scared to speak. I was afraid my English would sound rude or wrong.
James, that is a very common fear. Listeners, ask yourselves right now, do you avoid asking for help because you are nervous about your English?
Do you know the words, but when you open your mouth, you feel stuck?
If the answer is yes, then this video is for you. Today, we will fix the most common mistakes people make when asking for directions.
We will turn your fear into confidence. Let's start.
So, James, imagine you are back on that street. You need to find the metro station. What is the first sentence that comes to your mind?
I usually just say, "Excuse me, where metro station?"
Okay, where metro station? This is mistake number 1. It sounds like a robot.
A robot? But they understand me, right?
They might understand, but it is grammatically wrong. You're missing the verb is and the article the.
Ah, I see. So I should say, where is the metro station?
Exactly. Where is the metro station? It is much smoother.
Okay. Excuse me, where is the metro station?
That is good. But if you want to sound polite and educated, don't just ask where is. Use the magic phrase, could you tell me?
Could you tell me?
Yes. Could you tell me the way to the metro station?
Could you tell me the way to the metro station? Wow, that sounds very professional.
It is. Now, let's look at mistake number 2. It happens when you are looking for a specific type of shop. For example, a place to buy medicine.
Oh, I do this often. I walk into a shop and say, "I want medicine shop."
James, no. Never say, I want to a stranger. It sounds like a demand, like a child saying, I want chocolate.
Oh dear, I don't want to sound like a child. What should I say?
Instead of I want, say, I am looking for.
I am looking for.
Yes. Excuse me, I am looking for a pharmacy.
I am looking for a pharmacy. That feels much nicer.
It is polite and clear. Now, let's talk about distance. How do you ask how far something is?
I usually ask, how much far is it?
How much far? This is mistake number 3. We never use much with far.
Really? But distance is a quantity.
In English, we simply say, how far is it?
Just, how far is it? That is so simple.
Yes, how far is it to the airport?
How far is it to the airport? Okay, I can remember that.
Now, James, be careful with this next one. This is a very funny but dangerous mistake.
Dangerous?
Yes, sometimes when a place is behind a building, people say, it is on the backside.
Yes, the parking is on the backside. I say that all the time.
James, please stop. In native English, backside means your bottom, your butt.
Oh my goodness, I told my boss to meet him at his backside?
Oh no, you must use behind or at the back of.
At the back of. Okay, the parking is at the back of the building.
Or the parking is behind the building, never backside.
Thank you for saving me, Emma. That is embarrassing.
Now, let's talk about understanding the answer. You ask the question perfectly, but then the person speaks too fast. Go straight, left, right, boom, boom.
Yes, I just nod and smile, but I understand nothing.
Don't just smile. You need to check your understanding. You can say, sorry, I didn't catch that.
Sorry, I didn't catch that. That means I didn't hear it?
Yes, and then add, could you speak a little slower, please?
Could you speak a little slower, please?
Or better, could you repeat that?
Could you repeat that? Simple.
Now, let's do a quick role play. I'm a stranger, you are lost. You need to find the nearest bank.
Okay, I'm ready. Excuse me,
Yes?
could you tell me the way to the nearest bank?
Sure, go straight down the street and it's next to the supermarket.
Sorry, I didn't catch that. Is it near the supermarket?
Yes, right next to it.
Okay, how far is it?
It's just a 2-minute walk.
Thank you very much.
Perfect, James. You sounded natural and confident.
It felt easy. I didn't say I want bank or how much far.
Exactly, you used the correct structures.
Emma, I have one last question. What if I use Google Maps, but I'm still confused?
You can ask someone to help you read the map. You can say, "Could you show me where we are on this map?"
Could you show me where we are? That is very useful.
Yes, or simply, "Am I walking in the right direction for the city center?"
Am I walking in the right direction? That is a great yes or no question.
It saves time.
This is great. I feel like I can go out and get lost on purpose now.
That is the spirit. Getting lost is just a chance to practice speaking.
So, listeners, let's recap the golden rules.
Rule 1. Don't be a robot. Use "where is the."
Rule 2, don't demand. Don't say I want. Say I am looking for.
Rule 3. No backsides. Say "behind the building."
And Rule 4, if you don't understand, say sorry, I didn't catch that.
Follow these rules and you will never be lost again.
Thank you for watching. If this helped you, hit the like button.
And tell us in the comments, have you ever made a funny mistake while asking for directions?
We want to hear your stories. See you in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone.
Goodbye.